Hello there. This is Austin Serkin with Balluff, and today I am going to show you how to download and generate your own CAD files for whatever projects you're working on. So the best place to start is always at the home page at balluff.com. First click is at this three horizontal line burger menu, and then I'm going to go over to Services, down to Downloads, and click on that button. This takes me to this page here, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. And in the second row, I'm going to click CAD drawings. This is going to take me to our parts community homepage where you can download any file format of CAD you can imagine for any one of our products. Now, if you have a part number, go up to the top here and enter that part number in right here. If you don't have a part number, and that's what we're going to work through, we're going to find it and potentially generate one of our custom configurable products. So I know one of those products is in the sensor family, so I'm just going to click on the appropriate product family to start. This will drill us down into specific sensor families. You see there's quite a few. And I'm going to be looking at our linear transducer product, also known as BTL, or in the old days, micropulse transducers. Let's click there. Now we're looking at a variety of different BTL sensor families. And most often you're going to be looking at either rod or profile, but there are some specifics, special families out there as well. Let's go into profile, and now you'll see there's a few different profile style families. So the most common ones you're going to run into are BTL PF and BTL 7. Sometimes you deal with another one. Again, let's go for the most common application for this demonstration, BTL 7. So you'll see right away I've got a CAD file that's showing here, and I actually have a part number that the CAD database has already generated. But as I go through these yellow fields and make selections, that's going to update, as the CAD on the right should update as well. Sometimes it's a little laggy, but let's change this to an analog interface with current output. Let us select, well, some of this is in German, but you can use Google Translator to explain what it means, but it's going to basically tell you what the characteristic of the output curve is, if it's a rising or falling output. Then I'm going to choose my transducer stroke length down to the millimeter. I'm going to choose the position marker or the magnet that rides along the transducer housing. My connection output, cable or plug. Then I can tell you where the transducer magnet rides along the housing, what position it's in, the vertical distance from the housing, and if there's any sort of offset. So you can update all of those things. And I'm going to click update. Sometimes it takes a good minute or so to update, and sometimes it doesn't want to show me, but it still generates the CAD. Next step is to go over on the right-hand side and click on Formats. So if you've used this database before, it very likely is going to have something here that you've already selected. It saves your last selection. Since we haven't used this, click on Add Formats, and now you get every CAD format under the sun that you could need. Creo, NX, SolidWorks, AutoCAD. And you can also filter by 2D and by 3D file formats. So first I'm going to download this AutoCAD 2013 2D file. And then I'm also going to add in a 3D format, and let's do a step file. So you can choose two at once to download. So I've got my two here chosen. Next step is the final one. Click on Generate CAD. You'll see here's the part number we've configured. It's going to take just a quick moment to generate the CAD, and then I download. And here you go. Click on Download. And just like that, you've got a zip file with your 3D step file and your 2D front, right, and top DWG files. That's pretty much all there is to downloading CAD files within Balluff. Until next time, thanks.